Now, moving on to our next presentation, software. Improving your workflow is essential. Dataline presents MIS and ERP, and why MultiPress is the most popular print MIS ERP for sign and large format companies in Europe. Welcome to the stage.
Thank you very much, Michael, for this nice introduction. My name is Dirk de Roo, and I am the CEO of Dataline Solutions, a Belgium software company dedicated to MIS ERP software for the print and sign industry since more than 23 years. Today, MultiPress is the most popular ERP MIS software in Europe, especially in sign and large format companies. Together with my two colleagues, I will explain why it is. But first, let's go back to the beginning. In 1997, I started Dataline from my attic room after a career as Apple evangelist, and I saw the challenges the printing industry was facing. In particular, the transition from a craft to a process-driven industry. My ambition was to develop easy-to-use, affordable, and the best automation software for the printing industry. That was and still is my goal, to help print production companies in their transition to a lean and profitable company. In the beginning, MultiPress was a CRM and estimation software, but since many years, this print MIS software has evolved into a powerful, streamlined management system. Let's take a look together.
The subway of a large city connects places along different metro lines, with connections that allow you to switch smoothly from one track to the other. In the same way, every print media company has many processes to manage the production of an order. For each of these processes, you could use a different software. But how do all these packages connect to each other? Only MultiPress connects all your processes optimally. With MultiPress, you choose the perfect route to efficiency.
As you can see, MultiPress is a complete backbone where administration, calculation, estimation, planning, finance, logistics, along with production tracking and management reporting are integrated into one powerful, streamlined management system. Maximum automation is achieved, but at no time is control taken away from the user. Our solution architect Davy Verstaan will explore further the workings of MultiPress, especially for a sign and large format company. Today, Dataline has more than 60 employees in 5 offices in Belgium, the Netherlands, France and Germany. Experienced channel partners distribute and support our software throughout Europe. More than 1,000 print and sign companies in 25 countries use MultiPress daily. This is how we have become the reference in the European printing industry. Our software is available in 11 languages and also yours. And by the way, for the second year in a row, we have won the European Digital Press Award in the category Best European MIS ERP Software for the print and sign industry. A great award for the never-ending efforts to improve the administrative automation of the printing industry. Davy, I suggest we zoom in on MultiPress now.
That's a great idea, Dirk. So my name is Davy Verstaan, MultiPress Solution Architect at Dataline. As Dirk mentioned, MultiPress is the leading MIS ERP software in Europe for graphic production companies. For more than 5 years now, we are particularly focused in the sign and large format business. We have developed the software for that very purpose. Today, there are more than 200 sign and large format printing companies all over Europe that work with MultiPress, ranging from small sign shops to international groups with multiple production sites.
So tell us, why should companies use MultiPress and not one of the many mini ERP or generic software solutions, or even each time another island software solution for each product? What makes MultiPress so unique and specific for the print and sign industry?
Well, MultiPress specializes in large format print production. Very early on, we recognized that sign and large format has its own characteristics that should be considered. Simply improving administration on process management is not enough to gain real control over a sign business. Calculating cost plus does not work for large format either. Unlike a normal printing company, the material is very diverse and often expensive. The wide variety of print runs, applications, and different sorts of finishing also play a role. In addition, the time factor in production is significant. All this means that you should calculate cost differently. In addition to production costs, subcontracting and logistics are also very important. Take for example the installation and the assembly of banners, signage, displays, for sale signs, etc. This must be calculated correctly. Dataline has set up MultiPress especially for this part of the business. We can now calculate all aspects of sign and large format quotations very accurately. And on top of that, we can check the planning, production, logistics and installation, all the way till the end of the job.
So, what you're saying is, with MultiPress, sign and large format companies gain complete control over all their processes, can calculate razor sharp the production cost and the production time. That is what makes MultiPress unique in this business. That is why today we can say that MultiPress is the most popular MIS ERP software for the sign and large format companies in Europe.
Absolutely right, Dirk. You see, MultiPress is completely different from mini ERP systems, administrative tracking software or accounting software. Those are not equipped for the sign and large format market. And other graphic MIS software also lacks many of the essential functions.
Can you show us some features of MultiPress?
Happy to. I'll give a few examples. The calculation wizard is the essence of MultiPress. As you can see here, we can calculate for large format orders precisely, thoroughly and very quickly. We can specify the materials and all the finishing options for a perfectly calculated quotation. Nowadays, everybody has a webshop. By linking the webshop to MultiPress, you automatically prepare all the products in the webshop. Moreover, MultiPress further automates the entire workflow, from the actual online order to delivery and invoicing. Our installation app is a smart tool that allows installers to record how long they spent installing a job, but also find installation instructions. They can upload photos and request validation and so on.
We are of course on standby for more extensive demonstrations. If you think this sounds interesting but wonder whether MultiPress is suitable for your company and how do you get started, for that I will give the floor to Serge Klaus, who will explain the unique approach of Dataline.
Hello, my name is Serge Klaus and I am the International Business Development Manager for the large format printing at Dataline. So the sign and large format industry has experienced strong growth for many years. What we now notice is that the real pioneering years are probably behind us. Many companies are looking for better organization and a better structure. They usually come to us and the first question they have is, how much does it cost? Of course it's important, but it's also very important for us to explain how we work. First, we investigate the needs and the ambitions of your company. We would like to get to know your company better. So after an intake interview, we're able to provide you with an investment estimate based on your ambitions, wishes, and requirements. So how does such an intake work? There are three main steps. In the first step, we look at your needs. Together, we make a needs analysis and determine which business processes you want to tackle. In the second step, we demonstrate MultiPress, but using case studies. So no fancy examples, but with your daily quotation, orders, planning, etc. Because every business situation is unique. In the last step, we can make a budget. But this budget is based on your type, scale, and challenges. So this includes a complete implementation plan and calculation of your return on investment. Moreover, at Dataline, you get a 100% guarantee that we will also achieve that ROI. So, in three simple steps, you get a clear view of your cost and your profits. We show you exactly where MultiPress makes the difference.
Thank you very much, Serge. Let me summarize. MultiPress is a full modular MIS ERP software, completely tailored to sign and large format companies, from small to large companies. Dataline has fixed prices that are calculated based on functionality and the exact number of users needed. No unnecessary features, no additional licenses. We only deploy these modules that you really need. We deliver a solution that helps you increase your return on investment and be more successful. For us, it's all about making your company more successful. That is the guaranteed added value you may expect from us. And that is what it is all about at Dataline. Want to know more? Together with my colleagues, we are happy to help you. Thanks for your attention.
A great presentation, Dirk, and Sebastian has put it well in the chat there. He's saying, great job, team Dataline. A question from me, is MultiPress only for larger printing companies? Can I use it like a small print shop with only a few printers?
No, I guess it's for Davy. Davy can answer, or Serge, it's no problem. But anyway, I can answer. No, it's not only for large companies. But Serge, you can give a beautiful answer?
Yeah, definitely I can take over.
Fine.
So MultiPress actually is, MultiPress is very scalable with different modules. Hey, so we adjust actually the solution to the customer needs and customer requirements. So no matter the size of the company, the most important aspect for us is the current situation. So where can we generate added value in an existing process is good for us. So we actually even have tools to help the customer to analyze the return on investment. So indeed, the MultiPress solution is for small, medium, and large companies. No problem.
Fantastic. So if you're connecting as well, just another question for myself as well. If you've got like factories all across Europe, are they all using the same platform then?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a common platform, and we add actually options to answer to any specific requirements. It's a very modular system.
Exactly. Serge, I hear you also have a result commitment when you start a MultiPress installation. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, I think this is for Dirk. The result commitment is very good.
Dirk, come back on stage then, please.
Yes. It's very unique in the graphical industry. No other company will give that type of guaranteed result for that the results and the employees will work effectively with the software. And it's a guaranteed result that the monthly financial efficiency will be at least 20% compared with the previous period. So I guess this is the most important answer we can give to all the companies that use our software.
Very good, very good. Thank you guys for your participation. What I would like to say is we're going to continue with the presentations now. If you want to learn more regarding Dataline and the MultiPress platform, then please, you can visit them in the product demo area now.